I'm doing fries and hot wings and stuff like that. Here's the piece. That's pink. Slippery. I cook them in the microwave. They seem a little bit better. Oh, look at here. See it? Okay, I'll show y'all how I got it. So this is how it's gonna look before it goes into the freezer. I mean in the freezer, in the oven. That's what it's gonna look like. And I'm fit to do some, what is it called? Nuggets too. And so now I'm doing right there. I usually have my spray, but I don't have that. So I use a little of this just to stop them from sticking. And that's too much. So I don't like a lot. So I just I don't like, they could be cooked in a, what is it, the microwave, but to me they are better cooked in the oven. So I like how it looks. It's not even for me. That's one point. It's not for me. And I'm just showing y'all different stuff that I make. I'm making, which it's not much, just snacks. And fold them down. Place this back here. Here, I'm gonna put it back on the door. Okay, so let me show y'all what it looked like in there. Wasn't trying to show y'all me at all. So those are frozen. So now I'm going to put them in the oven. Okay, this is for the kids. Okay, y'all, I put a little bit of honey on them. That's why you see it like that. Okay, see that? See?
They don't be poo shooting in together. Trying to get me caught up.
So that's honey on that. Okay. I cooked my mother. I'm not cooking. I am making her a sandwich out of this, which is already open. This is like a throwback sandwich. Throwback, yep. Use a little bit of this. Okay. And I got my 2 pieces of bread. And put a little mayonnaise on the bread. You put the mayonnaise. Get all. I like to get all around.
Oh, I know right now.
You know what, Jeff? Let me try some.
I like the game, period. But my team.
Hold on. That bread seemed little. It been sitting for a minute. So, like it toasted. I get a little bread. This is the bread I use. I got my oven on. That's one reason. Yeah. And how many of y'all eat that? Okay. Do it like this. And all you gotta do is cook it. I hope y'all having a great evening. I really do. You can fry this, cut it up and fry it, or you can eat it just the way it is. How many of y'all like this? Leave in the comment. It don't really matter though. It really doesn't. Let me put the plate. I'm not gonna sit it around the stove. And that's what it looks like. That's what it looks like. Okay. It looks a little dark in here, but let's see. Yeah. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut it. I broke my tray. I hate that. Let's see. So, what I do, I just place it right there. And believe me, it's cold. Yeah. And I cover it up because I still got some left. Put it back in the refrigerator until she want another sandwich. She don't like the stuff she used to eat sometimes, and so I'm gonna put that over here. And this is the bread I don't want. Then what I do, she loves onion, but she don't eat it like she used to. So I cut them thin. Might not be cutting them just as right, y'all. I might not be cutting it right. I'm trying to even it out. Okay, so move this. Show you. There. I will take the onions and just place them right there. I always overdo stuff. I always do. So hold on. So far, that's what the sandwich looks like. You just have that. You just close it off. Make a little sandwich. You put that right there. Little breadcrumbs right there, but we ain't gonna worry about it. So far, her meal is almost done. So I use a little bit of this. This is for her peppers. I use that right there. And I'm gonna take this. Put that there. Just try to make it a little neat for my mama. She don't eat all that. Believe me, she don't. She really don't. Put that in the refrigerator. Push that back. And like that. don't give her much because she don't eat much. Yeah. And this is what you're looking at. I should do it like this. Good, like that. Open up. Okay. This is a little extra.
He's used to that whole yard. That's not that front yard. Yeah. Or somebody walking that front yard, you're going to come practicing in the front.
So I'm done with her meal. Y'all, I'm just giving y'all little stuff because, like I said, this is throwback. I don't know if y'all eat this. If y'all do, leave it down below. And how do you eat yours? Fried or just how you can? So this is what her plate looks like. Y'all got to see what the kids' food look like. And when I get through cooking that, I will show y'all. So mama fit to eat now. And I get her, oh, I'll show y'all her drink. She drinks with it. And I fix her little plate, y'all. Excuse the noise in the background. That's my mama and my son. So this is her soda. That. So this is her meal, y'all. I'm fit to go give it to her so she can eat and stuff because I know she's hungry. I hope y'all enjoying this. And I'll show y'all the kids' food when it's done. Okay, this is what the chicken nuggets look like. I'm going to turn them over and let them get a little bit more crispy. But that's what they look like. What I do, I turn them over. I don't like soggy nuggets. I really don't. And I'm going to turn them over. Y'all wouldn't guess how long this stuff been in here, though. They don't be dry or nothing. And this is what I do. I just turn them over. Give them a little brown. Some are browner than what I want, but just keep turning them over. Let it cook. I'll show them to you. I think they streak when it was hot. I'm gonna use a little bit more honey on the other side. Didn't have enough. Not at all. So hold on. Okay. Now we're gonna let them cook a little bit more on the other side. That right there is like honey. I didn't have enough to put on all of it. See? And just let it cook about three more minutes or so. Now I'm gonna show y'all the hot wings and the fries now. So I'm gonna put these back in there for a little bit. I keep dropping. Oh God, look here. Look at her. Look what I did. It touched the thing down there. I don't know, lately I've been having a dropsy. Look at her. Now I'll throw that away when I'm done cooking. Let those cook a little bit more. This is what the hot wings look like. They just now smelling it. You like telling it.
I like to tell it.
I see you do. I can't wait till you do something. I'm going to tell on you.
I don't think she did, girl.
Jeremy. Mama. Quit listening to Jeremy. Mama. Mama. My son and I just really try to make stuff look bad because they smelled that burn. What'd you say? I'm going to see now. Y'all better quit playing with me. God have blessed me. Woo, Lord. Then I'll do the fries a little bit. I'll get a little crunchy. I don't have a, what is it called? You know the things they put the chicken in? Air fryer. I don't have that, so I have to do the best I can with this. See, that's what the fries and stuff look like. And I just want that to cook a little bit more on top. They just a little too juicy for me. Y'all swear that I'm going to eat this, and I'm not eating this. It's for the kids. But I want this stuff done right. I want the fries a little crunchier. A little crunchy. They're not crunchy at all, y'all. So, you see that? They're not. Ouch, hot. But, see, I just want... do y'all like y'all meat, like, wet, a little dry? That's all I'm trying to do is get it a little dry. And that's it. Like that. So don't ignore the music because I don't owe them rights to that music playing in the background. So this is the outlook of it. And that's what it looks like. They fit to eat now. There you go. Okay, y'all. I am trying to cook this. See it? Never cooked it before in my life. And I'll be using this. Never used that either. And some of this. I always believe in washing my meat. I'm sorry. I don't know if you're supposed to or not. So, I never used this before. Let's see if y'all can see. Okay, I never tried this before. But, I'm going to, oops. The thing come in there. It's I'm just gonna take them and push it out. I did a straw. Yeah, what gets me, I don't know if this got salt in it or not. I really don't know. Really tripping on it, really. And I know they say you don't need a lot of seasoning. They say you don't need a lot of seasoning. But when I try stuff, I'm not going to put a lot of salt. But I want to make sure it got some kind of taste. Got a little cheap black pepper. I got the other one in there too. Oh my God. I put a lot on there. Black pepper. little. I'm so used to putting garlic salt. I thought that was garlic salt, garlic, but it's onion. Okay, now I'm gonna put this on here. So there's season. There's, I get a kind of like a hint of what people are doing on YouTube with theirs. They meat and stuff. I don't supposed to have red meat. I asked my doctor. She said that I can have a little bit of red meat, not a lot. Not a lot. So y'all can turn it up some. Y'all don't have to just sit in the quietness. Turn it where y'all can hear it. So, like that. And I put a little seasoning salt on it. And what I'm gonna do, y'all tell me down below. I'm gonna put a little of this on here. Try to make sure the seasoning get in there, y'all. I'm new at this stuff. Just give it. I'm just pressing the flavor into it. Okay. I'm gonna put this right here. I'm gonna put this over here because I'm gonna use that again. Move this out the way. And I'm gonna let this sit for a minute while I do this other stuff. Y'all, I'm gonna have this some kind of meal put together. I don't know. Work with me. Y'all, I've been talking to myself. I got some asparagus. And the man on the thing told me to take them kind of in the middle and pop it like that. And like that. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to wash them, wash this off and everything, and cook this. It's not a lot. My daughter used to cook them for me. She got me turned on to these. I love this very much. Now, my family can really cook. I got a sister that can bust her butt in the kitchen. And my daughter can too. So, they be doing some cooking and stuff. So, I'm going to wash that off. But I'm finna go wash these and put them in here if they fit. Alright, y'all. So, give me a minute. So, y'all, what I'm finna do is I'm gonna pop them, like he said, pop them. I don't know. Y'all can leave in the comment if I'm doing it right. I don't know nothing about this stuff. All I know is I like it. So I'm popping them, throwing the bottom part in the trash. Hope it don't hurt dogs because my dog just went over there to eat it. This one already done. And I'm doing that. Y'all, this is my first time doing everything you see on here tonight and stuff. This is my first time. It's late. I'm hungry. I don't feel like really doing anything. And I'm just putting videos out, hoping y'all like it. And this is what I'm gonna do. Let me show y'all what I'm doing. I'm going to show you how I did them. Hold on. Okay, this is how they are before I put anything on them. They like this. And then my meat, I just got it soaking right now. Just relaxing in seasoning. And I got this like this. Okay, y'all? I'm gonna show y'all what I'm doing. And oh shoot, hold on. Okay, y'all, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna season it with black pepper. Don't worry, y'all, it's the offering. Sometimes to me, off-brand stuff tastes better than the name brand. And y'all, I put my own twist when I got to see how it's really cooked. I put my own twist to stuff. I just put my own twist, hopefully. I use this kind of salt. I got the other kind of salt.
The dogs are still sitting here like, her hair still looks like cake, doesn't it? Bless you, bless you.
Thank you. And they say do it like this. I'm gonna have to get me some. I'm so unorganized right now. Y'all, I'm very old. I'm not organized at all. Then I'm gonna put some in here. Not much. I don't want to waste this. Yeah, and I don't know if I'm buying the right one either. Hold on. And so I put the stuff on there, the oil and stuff, and make sure the stuff stay in there. Y'all, this is just an old plate. So I'm trying to keep all the seasoning in it, everything. Why that one by itself? Come on, work yourself in there. Do it in there like that. Yeah. So yeah, there we go. I'm gonna do it like that. I hope I got everything done right. We'll find out. Okay, y'all. So I'm just gonna put these in here. Let them cook a little bit.
So Estella died, Cruella's perfectly fine.
I don't know, y'all, what I'm doing. I know you don't supposed to put a lot in there, but turn the TV down, son. It came up loud.
She named it HP double hockey stick.
Okay.
Oh, so now it's hospital third. Yes. And so are the dogs.
I know y'all supposed to put, I'm gonna put that right there. Just let it, I know I'm not supposed to, but I'm putting it, I don't have a lid for that, so.
Look at the dog. I didn't realize it was
So, y'all, I hope I'm doing this right. I hope y'all enjoy it. And I hope it tastes good. So, hold on just a minute. Okay, y'all. And I got it cooking. I think my fire might be up a little high, but I'm going to turn it down. So, that's what it's looking like. I hope it's good. Y'all, I'm going to get it out. Get these out. I'm going to buy me some tongs. That's kind of how it look. And I'm still going to use the grease in here. Still going to use the grease in there.
Those look good.
I'm going to put my meat in there now.
Yes,
Smells good. gonna use this little Christmas plate and stuff. And this is my little meal for tonight. You know, I shouldn't be eating this after 7, but my energy is just not there. I'll just be tired. I'm just gonna let it cook a little bit, and I'll be right back. Y'all, I don't know. I put a little. They put butter. I put on there. I put in there. I cannot believe it. I can't believe it's not butter or something like that. That's how it's beginning to look. I'm gonna put a little holes in it because I want it to cook through. I really don't like red showing, but I will leave a little bit, I guess. I'm gonna try. There's butter and garlic in here, so I hope it tastes good, y'all. Just cooking it so I know for sure it's cooked. Yeah. Shut up, boy. They don't. Huh? Baby. You're not gonna be full. I'm gonna be full. Baby, you ain't done nothing to me. He said, y'all, he said I'm stunned in front of y'all. Oh yeah, that's red. I can't do red meat like that. That's not bad for my first time, y'all. It's not bad for the first time. It's good. The asparagus. This right here, I don't know. I got it on low cook. I'll put a little bit of this in here. Because I don't want it to burn nothing. Okay. Y'all tell me, because I know it's a certain way to cook this stuff, but it's just a way that I know people like their food like red. I'm not trying to go that route. Really. This is not really good.
No, don't worry about it. It ain't good. It ain't gotta be good. It's gonna be good to me.
You need to stop.
It ain't good. I know. Just tell you this. It ain't good.
Take one of those asparagus stuff.
Something like this is gonna help with all that.
You gotta cook it like the white folks, man. You know what I mean? You can't.
I'm videotaping.
Look, I'm pretty sure when they cook some soul food, they say you gotta cook it like. Never mind. I'm say it.
Yeah. That's not. It's good, ain't it?
Yeah.
First time cooking it. You know, been cooked that many. Yeah, I know it.
Let me try that steak.
Huh?
Let me try steak. I know I ain't never had steak. You know what I'm saying? It's your first time cooking that too, girl. You know what I mean?
Yeah, this kind of fancy, huh?
The narrator is
Oh, you was a whole lot of seasoning. Oh, I forgot to bring the seasoning back when I get it.
Yeah, let me quit eating it.
Right there, you ain't gonna have no side.
I know.
I told her certain things. Look, all the time, I don't know why.
What?
You know, mothers don't even like blueberry muffins. Why you gonna keep, y'all must be getting these things for free.
A penny?
You know, sodas on the top.
That's not soda.
Energy drinks, whatever.
Yeah, energy drink
Mm-hmm.
for a penny. I hope it got seasoning. That's my most concern. I'm like, I put it in there. I videotape myself putting this seasoning on here. And I even put a little bit of garlic in there.
You might as well cook all this and get out your
No, we did that for your birthday. Your birthday. We cooked a lot of seafood stuff.
I'm just saying to get that out your kitchen.
No, I just bought that.
No, I mean, I kind of regret asking for that on my birthday.
It's something anyway.
If I get my hands on the microwave, I can possibly put it up here.
Nice.
You have to buy like a bunch of them first.
Try to make sure it's cooked all the way through. I can't do the red meat, can you? Y'all be about to eat up this asparagus. It really tastes good. I really did good for my first time cooking it. Y'all experience a lot of first time stuff I'm doing. See there? I can't do red meat like that. And I just cut holes down the center. I can't wait till my videos start doing really good and stuff. I can't wait. Y'all, let me show y'all. Is that red is okay? I cut that little piece on my mama's side, but I don't want to get some no red meat. You see that blood on top? I just gotta let it cook a little bit more. So everybody say it tastes good. So I hope y'all, this is my first time cooking it and stuff, and I just feel really good about it. I really feel good about it. It's my first time cooking. And I'm not gonna let it, I'm not gonna keep cooking it. I'm not gonna be a big piece because my son want me to share with him. I'm cutting it in half because I need to see what's going on. It got good flavor. I know it. I'm supposed to be red. Probably need to cut my fry down even more. But I don't want to. My mom said it's good, y'all. My mom likes it. I'm just going to be sure myself no more, really. I haven't cooked in so long. And I'm the type of person, this is what y'all see me doing, tasting my food. That's something I just really don't do. I never have. But then I try to because I'm cooking. Other people are eating it. Supposed to be cooking these with it. This right here. But I don't know. I might. I throw these in the microwave, I guess. I don't have a, what is it? An air fryer. I could put them in there, but I'm gonna put these in the microwave because I can do that. I don't want my food to get cold. And I know they don't really go together, but I'm just trying it. And I know it's gonna be juicy. I'm gonna buy me another microwave too. That's my one I'm giving my son. Cause he always wanna taste my cooking. Okay, y'all, this is what it looked like. Egg rolls, well, vegetable rolls. It's veggies roll. I'm gonna show y'all when I eat it. That's the sauce. And I'm just gonna eat a little bit. I know the meal that I got over here, it don't all match up, but that's what I got right here. I'm gonna try it. I microwave the veggie roll, veggie egg rolls. So let me get what I do with it. Yeah, I'll be putting stuff and don't remember where I put stuff. I say I'm tired. Please believe it. Okay, y'all. You know how when you wash clothes and you washing your socks, right? Yeah, I gotta go get my teeth fixed Monday. They're gonna fix it. I even lost the tooth. I did a video on it, but didn't like it and threw it away. But you know how you what I'm trying to say, you wash your socks with your clothes. You know you put the match in there and it comes back. You don't have a match. Your socks are not matching. Have y'all ever had somebody wash your dishes and you done bought a whole lot of spoons, forks, and knives and they're missing? I got two. I'm not gonna stay on here eating. I just want to sit down and relax before I go to bed. I got me some water. Y'all, this is good. I did good. I had to give myself a pat on the back. Y'all have to see.
Don't worry, she gonna come back. That's all I know.
Woo.
That's why I want her to be deep in this woman. Like, I don't want to be like, no, this is my woman now. Even on social media, post that. Let that be seen. So when she comes back, pat her on her face, because she can't come to the family without ignoring the disrespect.
Okay. These are good, y'all. Just the veggie and the sauce. Y'all tell me which one is like the egg rolls and stuff. Tell me which one. What kind of sauce y'all eat with it? Yeah, I really don't eat bread. I got it here, but I really don't eat it. If I crave a sandwich, and then I eat it. So I'm gonna go sit down with the kids. Ooh. Ooh. It's hot. I'm almost good with my, almost done with my physical. I got 2 more things I need to do. I'm waiting for my pap smear to come back. And stuff. And y'all always protect your mental self. Always protect it. Because you never know what you're going through. I will almost be through with these doctors, and I am so glad. I just had to get my mindset and hold on to my faith and go. The Lord have really gave me a good doctor.
I can tell everybody. No,
It's a woman doctor.
sound the alarm.
I ain't never had no problem with him, but as I got older, I've been wanting a woman doctor.
Where's Corella?
In my mind, I didn't feel like a woman knows a woman's body better, and I can explain it better. I had some good men doctors too, but I really need one that I can talk to and really say how I feel. I just want to know if veggie egg rolls are they really good for you? Cause I'm eating late. I'm gonna start eating before 7, way before 7, like at 6, before 6, and stuff. Believe it or not, I'm getting full. That's sad. But I went from 2. I haven't weighed lately. Besides when I went to the doctor. When I went the first time to the doctor, I weighed 222, and now I weigh like 216. I'm losing it. So, I just wanted to say that one more time. Alright. Let's go. Alright. This is what I have ate. I had 3 egg rolls. I ate 2. The meat I shared with my son. I left a little red, even though I'm against red, but they say it's more juicy. This is good. This is really good. So I'm just going to. How was it?
You got egg roll too, girl?
You want some?
I did.
Get it.
I like stuff. Oh, you know?
No, you can get that. I'm full.
I'll give you all of it then.
You said give you all of it?
Yeah. Well, I don't want to ruin your video, but go ahead.
This is y'all kids for you, y'all. Hold on. Okay. Hold on.
Alright, cool. There's another piece of steak in there. I'm gonna go over there and take it from him and be mad.
Oh, you got your other piece of steak in there? I thought you ate it.
Nah, if he would have ate that, he gonna go home with me. He gonna be in trouble. He'll put his ass in that kennel.
Oh, you gonna get him, huh? Look at him, look at you. He said, come on, lay it down.
Yeah, right. Nope. He already ate a whole, what was that he ate? A whole hot dog? That chili hot dog? Yeah.
What is it?
I ate one in your mom's room.
All right, baby. Y'all been watching
Who?
TV?
No.
Oh, y'all not. Oh, okay. So y'all do what y'all gotta do. You can put that over there. Tell me, take the egg rolls. Tell me how you like
Well,
it.
y'all finna go sleep?
No. Taste the egg roll and tell me how it tastes. Oh, up there behind Shanti. This right here, y'all. I made this with my mom. Well, we made this with my mama this morning. She said they're usually good. This is a good brand. She said it's usually good. But she did not like this. She hated it. She hated it. So, what I am going, my son took my food, as y'all seen. I'm full. And I got my water. Oh, you finna try it?
I'm going here. Chocolate won't stop falling.
No, he ain't gonna stop following. You got food. He don't want just dog food.
What my phone?
I just told you. Up there behind Shanti. So yeah, he fit to eat what I had. Y'all, I'm trying to lose this weight. I enjoy the meal, and they let me know I can cook that meat. So y'all see that, like, I'm gonna try to do it once a month, but I'm gonna start doing like salmon, fish, stuff like that. Try to bring this weight on down so your girl can be ready. He's still standing up. My dog standing there looking at him eat. He followed him to the kitchen, y'all. Oh yeah, it's all kind. So y'all stay prayed up. Keep God first in everything you do. Wear your mask out here. Stay safe. I'm sorry, y'all. Keep your family safe in everything. And do what you gotta do. Just do you, boo. What?
You know, Final Vision, right? They did the crate challenge.
They did the who?
Crate challenge.
Oh yeah, people getting hurt on that though.
They just posted it. I'm about to watch it.
Okay, so I'm fit to go and let this food digest. Turn that down. Fit to go and let it digest. But it's coming down. As it go down, y'all can go back in pictures and y'all can see the size it was. And then when I get the size I want to get, then y'all see. So it is called good eating. And I would cheat every little bit, every once in a while with the red meat stuff. But besides that, can't do it. Got to lose this weight, y'all. So I don't have dealing with this high blood pressure stuff. I'm refusing to take any kind of medicine. They gave me something, but yeah, it's still with a lot of stuff. So okay, y'all, stay prayed up, keep God first, be safe, wear your mask. If you have to, wear some gloves, because it's not only when people talk they spit, it's also think about you touch what everybody else touch. So you know, and then if you ain't thinking, you might go and grab something to eat, or you might touch somebody's face, or you might touch your lip or something. So please, if you can, wear some gloves. Stay safe. Love y'all.